Some impressions of these days in Puttaparthi.
Very nice day like every time, but this rain is very special.
It's very special day,
Yes.
no? The rain, no?
After
Yeah.
22 years I never experienced so much rain.
Wow.
So maybe it's a cleaning when Guruji and the group is coming. I don't know.
Exactly. Guruji is cleansing everything before
Yes.
coming. Look how beautiful is this. We are at Monica's place. Monica is a Mataji who does Om chanting, organizes Om chanting here since years. And she has a very, very beautiful place in Sarasvati Lane with a beautiful sculpture, Murti of Sarasvati that we can see. And the nature is so nice here, the garden, everything. We see some nice cactus there in just a corner of the garden, and nicely painted. I like it. Ah, Puttaparthi, raining, raining, raining. It's so beautiful. Let's see if I can see Sarasvati, if I can cross this. Here she is. Amazing, beautiful place. Very nice place, huh?
Yes.
You are doing acrobacy. Nice. So we are still in Puttaparthi, enjoying the places that I have never seen. So it's nice to come to Puttaparthi like for the first time, because I saw so many corners that I have never seen, that I discover, and that is nice. Beautiful Indian flowers. These flowers are in pink version and also in yellow one. These ones here. And Michael, Manishwari coming. Okay, see you later, guys. Take care, Dave.